Hey everybody, are you as excited about the Christmas crafting season as I am? Then you're definitely not going to want to miss out on today's Christmas craft haul. Let's get into it. Hey everybody, I am Donna and welcome to my channel, Creative by Nature DIY and Decor. I am going to be sharing a Dollar Tree haul with you as well as an announcement, and I'm so excited about this, so stay tuned for that. Those of you who've been following me for a while know how much I absolutely love to craft for Christmas. So I am so excited to have you all back for this Christmas crafting season. And I found some neat stuff at Dollar Tree. I'm really excited to share. These first few items though, I actually didn't get these from the Christmas section. These are from the candle section, and they are the battery operated taper candles. And I have got 3 of these ones. And I've got one extra as I want to do a bit of an experiment, and that DIY is coming up soon. And to go with that DIY, I also got these emergency lights. Now, I'm not sure on the color of the flame on these ones, so I'm hoping it matches the tall tapers. But again, I found these in the candle section with the battery operated candles. Okay, I didn't have any of these mini ornaments in my stash. They were all sold out last year when I needed them. I just got the gold and the silver, but they also had red. And they also had like the glitter and the shiny metallic. But I just wanted the brushed or the pearlized ornaments. And then out of their wood ornaments from the crafts, I got the snowflakes and the trees. I definitely know what I want to do with the snowflakes, but this one I'm not quite sure yet. Another thing I got was this wood Christmas tree. I have some in my stash already, but I had experimented with them and they've got a lot of paint on them. So I thought, well, I'm just going to get one more. So then if I can't cover up that old paint, then I've got backup. And then I was so excited, and I know a lot of you already have seen these, and they are the gingerbread house. I got 2 of the same. Now I am so excited about this project. I cannot wait to share this one with you. It is going to be in true Donna style. Okay, so this is just from the regular craft section. It's actually part of the kids craft section. And I found this wood owl. And I thought it would be so cool to do this up for Christmas time. It would be perfect for all the woodland themed stuff that I already have in my Christmas collection. So I can't wait to play around with that. And then something that I have not seen anybody haul yet were these adorable wood lanterns. You guys, these are so cute. They have other patterns as well. I thought they would be so fun for the Christmas craft season. And it's got the little battery operated light in there already. I'm hoping I can pop the bottom off so I can paint the inside of this lantern, but it's still such a pretty lamp. Look how bright it is. So pretty. I cannot wait to decorate these. Okay, so I got some more faux snow. It's this really pretty iridescent. I love this. This is my favorite to use. I will mix it in with just the plain white snow, and it really looks really pretty on crafts. And then I also got these vase fillers. Now, I plan on using some of this here on my channel, on this current channel, but I also have another channel, and it's more for like art and life. So I share a lot of my paper crafting and craft hauls over there, as well as nature walks. But I have some projects in mind for these over on that channel as well. I'll link that down below. I got 3 rolls of the glitter tulle. This one was in the everyday section. It is more of the yellowy gold. And then I got silver and more of an antique gold in the holiday section. Again, projects for here on this channel as well as my other. I have a few felt projects in mind coming up. So I got these felt words. They've had these probably for, I think, the last 2 years. So I thought these would be great to use in those felt projects. Just so you know, I always have like an annual week-long series for Christmas DIYs, as well as my annual Gnome for the Holidays series. This year, for my Gnome for the Holidays series, I am going to be kicking it off with a DIY gnome challenge. And this is going to be both for my viewers as well as creators here on YouTube. To participate in this challenge, you need to be a subscriber of my channel, and you need to create 1 to 2 gnome DIYs. And when I say a gnome DIY, you can create your own gnome, you can create any type of gnome project. It could even be a gnome garden. Anything gnome will go. The upload date will be November 2nd. That will be the kickoff day for my Gnome for the Holidays series. Upload time will be 6 a.m. Pacific time. So if you're unsure what time that is, just Google it, 6 a.m. Pacific time, and it'll give you an idea of what time that will be in your time zone. You are going to want to mention my channel name and have the link to my channel as well as the playlist down in your description box. And you will want to use the hashtag DIY Gnome Challenge. Now, for my viewers' participation, you can tag me as well as use the hashtag DIY Gnome Challenge in your Instagram post. I would like you to post anytime throughout the day on that day if you are just a viewer following us over on Instagram. I am so excited to see what everybody makes. I love gnomes, and you all know that, and I cannot wait to see what all of you create. I will have the list of all the rules and what you need to know down in my description box in case you missed any of the information. Okay, so that leads me into a few supplies for making gnomes. I found these beautiful socks. You guys, check this out. They have got these work socks. I will link a video down in my description box showing you my top gnome that everybody loves to watch, and it is using work socks. I didn't buy the work socks in that video from Dollar Tree. I got them from Dollarama, but I thought this would be a great substitute. I also found these really fun sweater looking type socks, so I thought these would make great gnomes as well. Another thing that Dollar Tree has now is some really pretty wood embellishments. I love to use wood embellishments for my gnomes, so I thought these would be some great alternatives. I usually get my wood embellishments from Dollarama, but when I saw these, I thought they would be perfect for that. And then they also had these pretty Christmas flower stickers. Again, these would make great embellishments for gnomes. This is another item that I love to use to decorate my gnomes or a lot of other projects, and they are the little red trucks. I'll paint them so that they can match my decor or what have you. Yeah, so they had these last year. They've got them again. I got 2 packages of those, and they also have them in the large again, the large ornaments. So I just got these as well to for my stash, because you never know when you need a truck for your projects. And then another fun thing that I found, and a lot of others found, was the truck and trailer. I was so excited. I thought, again, these would be absolutely perfect to decorate some gnomes or little snow globes or a cloche, or even a mini wreath would be really cute. So I got 4 packages of those. And then go with all of that, I also got some of the mini trees. Now, I got quite a few last year, but I wanted to stock up because I am planning on using a lot of these this year. I got 6 packages. I know. Crazy, but these are great. I got a couple of cards from their card section. I really like to use these for different projects, and I thought this one was super pretty. And then I also got this one. I love the snowy scene on this one. So I thought that would be fun for some projects. And I also picked up some of these houses. We have all seen these. They had some last year and they came out with some new designs this year. So I really liked just these three in the cute little church. I'm not going to leave them this color. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what color they're going to be, but yeah, definitely stay tuned for that. I don't usually go for their Christmas florals and whatnot, but I couldn't pass these up. I thought these were gorgeous. There is such a pretty shimmer. You probably can't quite see it. It almost looks kind of icy. I loved it. And then I saw these holly leaves with the berries, and these are seriously such good quality. I am very picky about my florals and greens that I get, and these are such good quality. So I got just one solid and I got two of the variegated because I actually prefer the variegated. And even the berries are in pretty good shape. Like, they are foam, but they've got a nice coating on them, so they should hold together really well. Okay, these candles are actually from their fall decor section, but these smell like Christmas to me. So I got two, one for myself and one for my oldest daughter. They kind of have a bit of a woodsy pine scent with a bit of like a spice. And yeah, it's got a really warm, cozy scent. So I thought definitely more of a Christmas scent to me than fall. So I got these for the Christmas season. And from their ornaments section again, I got just one of these clear ornaments. I have something specific in mind for that. And then I got these little mini houses. I thought these would be really cute in like a little snow globe or a mini cloche or something like that. I just thought they were so cute. They did have other colors, but I just got the gold because if I decide to paint these, it would definitely be easiest to cover up. Okay, so my store had these mini wreath rings. I have never seen wreath rings this small. So I thought they would be great to have on hand. I've got a few ideas in mind for these, so I'm excited about those. And then I also got some glittered glue sticks to try out. One thing I did find I was hoping to find were the bell garlands. Aren't these cute? So I got the gold, red, and the green and red. I thought these are going to be great in wreaths. Gorgeous for wreaths, or you can even make mini wreaths out of these. So I also found the pine cone garlands. These are white with the iridescent glitter. These are stunning. I absolutely love these. I also found them in this, it's kind of like an antique champagne gold. It's not quite silver and it's not quite like platinum or pewter. I don't know. It's just a really interesting color. I thought it was so pretty. I had planned on doing a Christmas market this year, but because of the situation, they canceled it. So I had originally stocked up on all these berry garlands, the red, the gold, and the white. I know I'll use these and I can keep them for next year. So it's not like these will go bad because, yeah, I love to use stuff like this. So I was really excited that I found them. And the one thing I was really excited, and I didn't know that this was out there until I spotted it. And this is the iridescent tabletop tree. I actually think it's really pretty, but I actually got this for my daughter. We had made her this really pretty tree 2 years ago, and I'm gonna wait to share it with all of you to see what I do with this one for her. You can see how pretty that shimmer is. Isn't it gorgeous? I was really surprised to see that Dollar Tree came out with something like this. And then my Dollar Tree that I usually go to, they had started getting some tins, and I got this one. I thought they were so cute, and it has the car with the red truck. I got just the 2 sizes. I think there was one, maybe one more smaller or bigger. I can't remember. But yeah, I'm hoping that our Dollar Tree will come out with all those beautiful Christmas signs. Yeah, I'm excited for those because I saw one with the gnome on it. So I'm hoping my store will get that one. Okay, this is not Dollar Tree, but oh my word, I was so excited when I found it. And it is from Walmart, and it is the mini trailer lights. You guys, trailer lights. So check out your Walmart. They had these ones, and they also had some with a red truck. I was so excited about these ones, so I just got these. I left the red trucks behind. I know you're probably like, what? But this is definitely more me, the trailer. So I've got a really cool idea to use these. So definitely stay tuned for that. I'm so excited about the Christmas season. I hope all of you are too, and I am so excited to start crafting for all of you. I hope you will join me for my Gnome for the Holiday Gnome DIY challenge. I again will have all the rules listed down below. It's for both my viewers and fellow creators here on YouTube. And I want to thank you all so much for being here. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.